IAM is the AWS security control plane. It answers two questions for every request: who are you, and what are you allowed to do? IAM is global, completely free, and the foundation of every secure AWS environment. The root account has unrestricted power over everything on AWS. One compromised root credential means an attacker can delete all your data, rack up unlimited charges, or lock you out permanently. IAM solves this by creating limited, auditable identities instead. An IAM user represents a single person or application. Humans log in via the AWS console with a username and password. Applications use access keys for programmatic API calls. Root is for account setup only, lock it immediately with multi-factor authentication. Groups are collections of IAM users. Attach policies to the group and every member automatically inherits those permissions. When Alice joins dev team, she gets S3 access instantly. When she leaves, revoke membership and all permissions vanish. Never attach policies directly to individual users. Roles provide temporary credentials, no passwords, no access keys to rotate. An EC2 instance assumes a role to read S3. A Lambda function assumes a role to write DynamoDB. Never hardcode access keys in application code. Roles are the correct pattern for all service-to-service access on AWS. Policies are JSON documents defining allow or deny on actions and resources. AWS provides managed policies for common use cases. For custom needs, write your own. The golden rule: always apply least privilege, grant the minimum needed. By default, AWS denies everything. You must explicitly allow. 5 Best Practices, 5 to 8 CLF-C02 exam questions answered. Enable MFA on root. Never use root daily. Attach policies to groups, not individual users. Use roles for AWS services, never embedded access keys. Apply least privilege everywhere. Memorize these 5 and you are ready.